So today we are going to see SBA PO Prelims mock test number 3, Arithmetic. See the first question. Shreyas purchased two articles P and Q, 5,000 and 2,000 respectively, and he marked articles P at y% above the cost price, and he marked Q at y/3% above the cost price, and gave 12.5% and 10% respectively as a discount. Then find the value of y, and given that the total profit amount obtained by Shreyas is what? 2,160. So first one it is y% above, second one it is what? y/3. Therefore y value should be 3 multiple na. So 3 multiple, check it once, 60 and 63. Now P article is what? 5,000. P article is what? 5,000, and Q article is what? 2,000. So P article they kept at y% above. Y% above, I am going with 60% plain number. If it is satisfied, that is your answer. If it is not satisfied, then automatically 63 is your answer. 60% above. 60% above is nothing but how much? 3,000. 3,000 plus 5,000. On first article, he is giving 12.5% discount na. 12.5 is nothing but 1/8. This value should be 8 multiple na. If you take 63, is it possible? If you take 63% above, is it possible to get 8,000 here? So that is the reason, no need to check. Your answer is option 3. So 12.5 is nothing but 1/8. Marked price of P article must and should be 8 multiple. If you take 63, it's not possible. Are you clear? So no need to check the answer. So straight away your option is what? 60%. Next one. The present average of x and y is 6p minus 20. The present average of x by z is 4p plus 5 years. If the present age of y is 40% less than the present age of z and 20% more than the present age of x, then find the x age 6 years hence. See here, x, y, z. Check it once, x, y, z. X, y, z. Average is 4p plus 5. Sum is what? Into 3. Into 3 is nothing but 12p plus xy. Xy average is how much? Sum is 12p minus 40. Are you clear? Now xx get cancelled na. Then z is equal to 12p get cancelled na. Minus 40 become plus 40. 40 plus 15. Therefore z is equal to 55. If z is 55, now see here, present age of y is 40% less than the present age of z. 40% less na. 40% less na. So 40% less is nothing but how much? 22. 40% is nothing but 22. Are you clear? 10% is 5.5, 40% is 22. Remaining is 33. Now y age is 33. Next to present age of y is 20% more than x. 20% more is nothing but 120% na. 120% is nothing but 33. Then 100% is how much? So 26 are 20. 5 are 6. How many times? 6 5.5 times na. 5 into 5.5, 27.5. 27.5 is age of x now. Yet present age of x is 27.5. But they are not asking present. They are asking 6 years hence. 6 years hence is nothing but 33.5. So don't keep this one 27.5. 27.5 is present age of x. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? Next one. Hari invested 12,000 for 2 years in a scheme X offering compound interest of 15% and gives interest that is 20 rupees less than the interest issued on investing y rupees per year at simple interest of 20%. Find the value of y. So first of all, scheme X is compound interest na. 12,000 na. Rate of interest is 15%. So first year interest is what? First year interest 15% on 12,000. 10% 15,000. Sorry, 10% 12,000. 5% is 600. That is nothing but together is 1800. This is first year interest na. Are you clear? Second year interest is nothing but what? 1800 plus 15% of 1800. 10% is 180. 5% is 90. Together is 270. Together is 270. So together is total 3600 plus 270. 3870. This is gives an interest that is 20 rupees less than the 20 rupees less is nothing but simple interest is 20 rupees more na. That is nothing but 38. This 3890 is simple interest na. For how many years? For how many years? 1 year only. A year. Y scheme is not 2 years. Y scheme is a year. A year is nothing but 1 year. Rate of interest is, therefore that 20% is nothing but 38. Now we need 100% na. 21s are 20. 5 into 3890. 5 into 90. 5 into 90. End with 450. How many options? End with 450. How many options are there? Only one option. Option 5. So no need to take entire value. Otherwise 5 into 3800 19,000. 538 times 190. All of you clear nana? So no need to solve. Shall I go for the next question? Next question is what? The respective ratio between the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat in downstream is 1:5. And the time taken by boat to cover 75 kilometers upstream in 5 hours. The speed of the train is 200% more than that of the boat in still water. And train crosses a man in 54 seconds. Then find the length of the train. See here, speed of the stream. Speed of the stream is C na. Downstream speed is nothing but B plus C. That ratio is what? 1:5. That ratio is what? B plus C is 5 parts, C is 1 part, then B is how many parts? Then B minus C is how many parts? B minus C is how many parts? 3 parts. Are you clear? 75 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 75 kilometers 5 hours. Then 1 hour 15. Therefore upstream speed is 15. Upstream speed is 15 na. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are. See here. Speed of the train is 200% more than that of speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water is nothing but B only. B is 20 na. 200% more. 200% more is nothing but 200% of 20. 40. 40 more is nothing but. Therefore train speed is 60. Whenever train crossing a man, length of the train is nothing but length of the train is nothing but distance na. Whenever train crossing a man, length of the train is nothing but distance na. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is what? 60. 60 into 5 by 18. How to convert them into meter per second? How many seconds? 54. How many times? 3 5s are 15 60s are. Your answer is 900. Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? The difference between the total surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cylinder is 1232. The radius of the cylinder is equal to the radius of the cone. The height of the cone is 18 meters. So 18. Then find the volume of the cone. See here. What is the total surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square na. All of you clear na? This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area is nothing but curved surface area plus top view plus bottom view. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area is nothing but curved surface area plus top view is look like a circle pi r square. Bottom view also pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Yes or not? This is total surface area and this is surface area. Curved surface area. Difference na? Difference is nothing but this one get cancelled na. Now difference is 2 pi r square na. 2 pi r square. 2 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7. Keep r square like that only. That is equal to how much na? 12. So 22 2s are 44. 44 how many times? 44 28 times na. 44 28 times na. R square is equal to 28 into, don't multiply, keep aside. Just don't multiply, keep aside. Now we need volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h na. 1/3 pi r square h na. R square we know na. R square we know na. How much? 28 into 7. Next H. H is nothing but 18. Are you clear, Nana? Otherwise, 2 pi r square is nothing but 1232 na. 1 pi r square is nothing but 616. Ala kuda teesukochu direct ga. Ala fee clear, Nana? Next, Nana. See here, we need this one. So 7 3s are 21. 7 7 get cancelled. In 3 table 6 times. Now check here, 6 22 times 132 into 28. So don't multiply, check the options. End with 6 na. End with 6 na. How many options are there? Don't worry. So volume of the cone is related with pi na. Answer should be 11 multiple na. See the first option, it's not 11 multiple na. See the second option, yes it is 11 multiple. See the third option, is it 11 multiple? So your answer is option 2. Are you clear? Whenever the formula is related with pi, answer should be 11 multiple. Are you clear? So series problems, these are, see the 41 to 45 case study they given. So what they given? The given below data shows the different days manufactured in different types of items manufactured. A seller manufactured 2 types of items, jackets and blazers, on 3 days of a week. Ratio of blazers and manufactured Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So jackets, blazers, total if it is required. Now look at here, all of you. Ratio of the number of blazers manufactured Monday and Wednesday was how much, Anna? 7:2 respectively, while difference between their blazers and manufactured Monday and Wednesday is 15. Now one part is 15 na. 7 parts, 8 parts is nothing but 1 part na. 1 part is 15 na. Then 7 parts is blazers na. Blazers 105. Monday is 105. Wednesday is 120. Difference is 15. Next, number of jackets manufactured on Monday was 5 less than the number of blazers manufactured on Tuesday, which was, then Tuesday blazers is how much, Nana? 125. 5 less na on Monday jackets. Monday jackets is how much? Monday jackets is 120. Next, number of jackets manufactured on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday formed an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is nothing but common difference will be same either increasing order, in the same increasing order. Why they mentioned increasing order? Because arithmetic progression is nothing but either increasing order or decreasing order. That is the reason they specifically mentioned that is increasing order. Are you clear, Nana? And the number of jackets manufactured on Wednesday is 50% more than that on Monday. 50% more is nothing but 60 more na. 60 more is nothing but 180 na. Difference will be same na. Here 120, 180 difference is 60 na. By 2 is nothing but 30 na. 30 difference is nothing but this is 150. 150. 120, 150, 180 is arithmetic progression na. Increasing order na. Now data is filled. Now see the first question. So see the first question. First question is what? What is the respective ratio between the number of jackets manufactured on Monday? Monday number of jackets is 120. Yes or not? Blazers manufactured on Wednesday. Blazers manufactured on Wednesday is, your answer is 1:1. Next, the total number of blazers manufactured on Tuesday. Tuesday is what blazers? 120. 120 is what percentage of the total number of jackets manufactured on Wednesday? Jackets Wednesday 180. 125 is how much percentage of? Look at here. Don't go for into 100. Approximately this is 62 times, this is 63 times na. 2/3 is nothing but 66 2/3 na. But our answer should be more than 66 2/3 because that is more than 120 na. So your answer is 70. Are you clear? Next, what is the average number of jackets manufactured all the days together? Total na, average, no need to go for average na, because the middle number will be the, because they are in arithmetic progression. Whenever the series is in arithmetic progression, number of terms are odd, exact middle number will be the average. So no need to go for total and by 3. Your answer is 150. Next, the total number of blazers manufactured all the days together is what percent more or less than the total number of jackets manufactured all the days together? So total number of blazers manufactured all the days. All the days is how much, Nana? All the days 245, 250, 350. Next, jackets 450. They compared with 350 na. They compared with 350 na. whenever they're asking more or less, we go for difference na. 100 by circle chestara chestar meeru. 52s are they compared with what? Total number of jackets they compared with 450. They compared with 450 because after than which person is coming, that person you have to keep in the denominator. So 52s are 50. 2 by 9 is nothing but 22.22. Whenever 9 is in the denominator, 11 multiples are coming. Are you clear, Nana? Next, what is the difference between the number of jackets manufactured on Wednesday? Number of jackets manufactured on Wednesday is what? 180. To the total number of blazers manufactured on Monday. Blazers manufactured on Monday is what? 102. Difference is 75. Next, see the next DI. So they given store A and store B data. All of you clear, Nana? Now, if you copy that numbers, it is very easy for you because every time if you see that data, if you can, every time if you see that data, definitely it will take some time. Now, at a time, just to copy that data, store A, store B, all of you clear, Nana? And what are those articles? Tell me what are the articles? Refrigerators, televisions, air conditions, micro ovens, laptops, desktops. Now tell me values fast. Store A 250 to 260, 270, 280. Next store B 380. Next tell me TV. Store A is how much, Anna? Television 380. Store B 240. Next store air conditioners 320, 420. Next micro ovens 400, 370. Sure na? Next laptops 360, 4. Very good. Next 440, 350. Once you fill, questions are very fast. See the first question. What is the respective ratio between the total number of air conditioners repaired in store A? Store A air conditioners 320 na? 320 na? And the first value should be 32 multiple na? How many options are there? 2. Next micro ovens in store B. Micro oven store B 37. Therefore your answer is 32 is to 37. Next question. The total number of air conditioners repaired in both the stores is approximately. Air conditioners is nothing but total na? How much? 740. What percentage of the total number of articles repaired in both the stores? So no need to solve. Almost all are in same range na? Almost all are in same range na? Don't calculate total. So air conditioner is 740. Air conditioner is what? Almost all are in same range na? Almost same range na? So how many are there here? How many are there? 6. Therefore your answer is 1 by 6. Total 6. Micro ovens is 1 article. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16 2 by 3. So approximately they are asking your answer is 17%. If you add total, after going home, add total and calculate 740 is how much percentage in total, then you will get 17. Don't worry. But it will take some time na, because all are in the same range na. All are in the same range na. So total 6 articles. Out of 6 articles, we need 1 by 6 is nothing but 16 2 by 3. Your answer is 16 2 by 3. Are you clear, Nana? Next. What is the difference between the total number of laptops repaired in store B? Laptops repaired in store B is how much, Nana? 4. Televisions repaired in same store 240. Difference is 220. Difference is, your answer is option 5. Next, Nana. What the total number of desktops repaired in store A is approximately what percent more or less than the total number of refrigerators in the same store? Same store is nothing but store A na? Refrigerators in store A, 280. 280 how to keep in the denominator. Next, desktops in store A, 440. Difference how to take na? Difference is how much? 160. 160 is how much percentage than 280 na? 50% is nothing but 140. Our answer is more than 50%. 57. Are you clear? If the number of mobile phones repaired in store A is 40% mobiles. So first of all, in the data, mobiles are there na? No. But A is 40% more than the number of televisions repaired in store B. Then televisions repaired in store B is what? 240. How much more? 40% 240, 96. 96 plus 240. 96 plus 240. 336. Your answer is 336. 240 plus 40% of 240. Next they given another bar graph. Store A, store B, store C. So values are very clear na? Very clear, no need to take. So values are very clear, no need to copy. See here, what is the respective ratio between the total number of SS bats manufactured in store B? And SS bats manufactured in store B is how much? 380. Each one is 20. Each line is what? 20. 380. 380 na? 380 na? Store B and store C together kada? Store B and store C. Store C is how much na? 500. 500 plus 380. 880 na? And the first one is 11 multiple na? How many options are there? 2 options are there. So total it is 880. Next na? MRF bats in same stores together. MRF B and C. MRF B and C. B is how much? 560 and C is 480. 560, 480. How much na? 1040. 104 is 13 multiple na? It's not 29 multiple na? Your answer is 11:13. 104 is 13 multiple. 13 8s are. 11 8s are. Are you clear nana? Shall I go for the next question? The total number of SCG bats manufactured in store A and A together. AC together. SCG. AC. How much and A is how much? 520. And C is 580. 520, 580. 1100. 1100. Next two. Approximately what percentage of the total number of hero bats manufactured in all the stores together? 1100 is what percentage of? Which one? Hero. All. All ante what nana? First one it is what? 460. Second one? 660. 580. See here. 400, 600, 500. 1500 na? 60, 60, 80. 200. 200 plus 1500. 1700 na? 1100 is how much percentage and 1700 na? Are you clear? Now how much percentage? Nana, don't do anything. 17 is there na? In 17 table 110 goes how many times? 17 7s are 119. 17 7s are. Our answer is less than 70. It's very closer to 70 na? 17 6 are 102. So our answer is more than 60, less than 70. But if you go for here, all of you, if you go for 60%, 60% is nothing but how much na? 60%. 10. We need 80 na? We need 80 na? Approximately 4% na? So your answer is 64. It is far away to 70. Next, what is the difference between the total number of hero bats manufactured in all the stores together? Now, hero, I think we already calculated a hero. 1700. And SS bats manufactured in the same store. Same store is nothing but total. Tell me nana. First one 440, 380, 440, 380, 500. So see here. 400, 300, 500, 1200 plus 120, 1320, 1320, 1700 difference. Difference 4, 380. Your answer is 380. Which option is there? Option 3. Next. The total number of SCZ bats manufactured in store A and store C together. Chapana SCZ. Store A and store C. SCZ. Store A 520, 580. 520, 580, 1100. 1100 is more or less than the total number of hero bats in the same stores. Hero bats in the same stores. Same stores is nothing but AC. A is how much? 480. C is how much? CC 580. 480, 580, 460, 580, 1040, 1000. They compared with the 1040 na. 1040 is how much less? 60. 60 by 1040 na. Approximately how much percentage? 6%. Less than 10%. Only one option. All of it clear na? Shall I go for the next question? If the number of bats manufactured in store D, so there is no bats, yes or not? But store D is 60% more than the MR of bats manufactured in MR of store A. MR of store A is how much? 640. 640 plus 60%. 10% is 64 na. లేదా 50% 10%, 50% 320, 10% 64, 64 plus 320, 380, 300 plus 600, 900, 124, 1000. Your answer is 1024. Otherwise end with 24. Now check here quadratic equations. See the second equation. What are the possibilities? 703 na. Minus 7 plus 3. It comes outside. Plus 7 minus 3. Positive negative value na. If you see from the first equation, here also positive value is there, negative value is there. So one value is positive value, another value is negative value. Then answer is cannot be determined. There is no relation. So no need to solve. Okay, Nana. Next, p square by 2 plus p minus 1 by 2. So see the second equation, Nana. First leave that first equation. See the second equation. 3 square root q square root. Then what is 2q square minus 12q minus plus 18. This is nothing but q square minus 6q plus 9 na. This is nothing but q minus 3 whole square na. Then q is equal to what? 3 comma 3 na. All of it clear na? Now if you observe here p value, so p value is 1 only. If we keep p is equal to 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. 1 is equal to 1 na. All of it clear na? P value is 1, q value is 3. Then your answer is p less than q. Are you clear? Next, Anna. Observe carefully here, all of you. So whenever you got this type of things, definitely it's not possible equal symbols. Yes or not? Then your answer is what? Either greater than or less than. Here just I am taking p is equal to 1, q is equal to. If it is satisfied, your answer is p less than q. If it is not satisfied, your answer is p greater than q. All of it clear, Nana? Simple. So no need to do the circles. See here, p is equal to 1. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Q is nothing but 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, p is equal to 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 2 only. Satisfied. But you have to check the second one. P plus 2, 3. Q plus 4, 6. P plus 5, 6. Q plus 10. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 6 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 2. Both are equal na. So your answer is what? P less than. Your answer is p less than q. If it is, say for example, if it is not satisfied, no need to go for the remaining options. Then we go for p greater than q. Are you clear? Next question. The respective ratio between the length of the rectangle and side of a square is 4:3. If the breadth of the rectangle is 40 less than the length of the rectangle, then the difference between the area of the rectangle and the area of the square is 63. Then find the perimeter of the square. Now look at here, rectangle is there and square is there. Length of the rectangle is how many parts? 4 parts. Side of the square is, breadth of the rectangle is 14 less. 14 less is nothing but 4x minus 14. Now, then the difference between the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is nothing but 4x into 4x minus 14. 4x into 4x, 16x square. 4 into 14, 56x. Difference is nothing but minus area of the square. Area of the square is nothing but that is equal to 16x square, 9x square, 7x square. 7x square minus 56x is equal to 63 na. Cancel with 7. X square minus 8x, 7, 9 times. What are the possibilities? 9 1 na. 9 1 na. Minus 9 plus 1. Plus 1 become minus 1. Minus 1 we don't consider. Then we have to consider x is equal to, if x is equal to 9, length is 36. Length is, we don't bother about rectangle. We need a square. Then this is 20. If one side is 27, 4 sides in a perimeter, 4 into 27. 108, not 118. 27 2s are 54, 54 2s are 108. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? Malar gives 30% of her salary to her mother, 40% of the remaining salary invested in her two schemes A and B, which is in the ratio 3:2, and the remaining she keeps in her bank in account. If the difference between the amount she gives to her mother and that she invests in scheme A is 5280, then find the salary of Malar, whatever it may be. Manakenduku. See here, Malar's salary I don't know. We assume as what? 30% given to mother na. 30% of 100. 30 not 70. Mother money is 30. Remaining money is out of 70, 40%. 40% is nothing but 28. That 28 they keep in what? Power bank. They keep in account na. They keep in what na? Account. They keep in account. So in which ratio? 3:2. Okay. So total 5 parts na. 5 parts is nothing but 28. 5 parts is nothing but 28. 5 parts is 28. Then each part is 5.6 na. Each part is 5.6 na. Then we need scheme A na. Scheme A is nothing but 16.8. Yes or not? Mother money is 30. Mother money is, scheme A money is 16.8. They given na. The difference between mother money and scheme A. Mother money and scheme A. Scheme A is 16.8. Mother money is 30. Difference is how much? 13.2. Difference is, that 13.2 is nothing but 5280. Then 100% is what? Circuit jasara. 13 table of 52 any times? It goes exactly 400 times. 400 times of 100, 40,000. Your answer is 40,000. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? See here, simplifications, approximations. Now check it once. This is approximately 42. 40. So 42 square na. 42 into divided by 780 plus 6, that is which is cube, plus 14 square. All of you clear nana? Now look at here all of you. So 42 table is cancel avutunda? Cancel avada? 42 1s are 42. Remainder is what? 36, 364. 42 table cancel avutunda idi? This is 784 only na? Huh? See, question is same na? Question is same only na? 42 table povatleda? Then go with the 16. 16 how many times na? 16 4s are 64. 16 9s are 49 na? 49 ante 7 na? 7 6 are 7. 6 6 are 36 plus 30. Your answer is 6. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. See here, all of you. 444 by 4. 111. Next, this is 25, na? This is 500, na? So how many times? 20 times. This is 4096, na? 4096 is 16 cube, na? 16 cube, na? By 16 4s are 4 4s are, na? Or that is 64 square also. All of you clear, na? Plus 60 64. See here, this is 131 195, approximately 196. Shall I go for the next question? See here, next question. 5 into 16, na? 5 into 16, na? 80. This is 20. This is 20. 24 into 9. 24 into 9. 216. This is 8, na? This is 30, na? Together is 240. 80 to 216, 296. 296, approximately 300. 300 plus 240, 540. So nearer to 540, 510. Your answer is 510. So no need to take accurate values. Shall I go for the next question? See, this is 9 how many times? 8 7s are 56. 7 how many times? 7 5s are 13 how many times? 8 5s are 11 how many times? 11 8s are 80. 50 30, 80 40, 120 80. Our answer is nearer to 200. If we take numbers, that is, it's not possible we will get 285, na? Yes or not? 6 to 5, 11, 11 8 to 19, 219 only. No need to take. Next, 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, na? 1 by 4 of 800, 2. This is 900, na? 18% of 900. 18% of 900. 89 are 162. This is 600, na? 8 6 are 48 plus 162. 210. 210 plus 200. Your answer is 410. Thank you.